Hey, my friend. Probably you wanted to export your game, but you ran into this error. This happened for your SDK because you may had bad internet while you were installing Unity and its stuff. Anyway, to fix these SDK problems, you need to install SDK manually. First of all, you need to download Android Studio. Come to download page and hit download. It's totally free. After you download Android Studio, just install it. There's nothing complicated, just do next, next, next. Then open Android Studio and it says SDK is missing. Click on next. In this section, don't change the default path. Hit next, next, accept, and hit finish. Wait for that to be downloaded.
1 hour later.
After downloading completed, hit finish. Click on more action, select SDK Manager, come to the SDK Tools tab, check Show Package Details if it's unchecked. Before installing package, we have to find out what version we need to install. Therefore, come to this page and check which tools versions are compatible with your Unity version. I use Unity 2021, so I have to install Build Tools 30.0.2. And for command line tools, version 2. Back to the Android Studio, select SDK Tools tab, check the right version of SDK Build Tools based on your Unity version. Scroll down to the command line section and check the right version for Android SDK command line. Hit apply, wait for downloading process,
1 hour later.
hit finish after downloading process ended. Select Android SDK location and copy that with Ctrl C. Then come to the Unity, click on Edit, then Preference. Select External Tools and here uncheck this option and paste the SDK location we copied before. Close Unity and open it again. I build my game and I hope error is gone. But it's not. Why? Because I'm an idiot. I installed the wrong version of SDK Build Tools. So I go back to Android Studio, deselect the wrong version and check the wrong version of SDK Build Tools. I install it again. Next, I try to build my game and hope this time works. Yay! Build was successful. Also, if you want to know how to change animation speed, check this video out.